How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first that you need to have is an account. But for me, as you can see, I don't have an account yet. But anyway, I could still show you the process. Over here below, you will be able to select tradables or all assets over here. As you can see, the top option would always be Bitcoin. So simply select Bitcoin over here and you will be able to see the option buy on Coinbase. So you're just simply going to select buy over here and you should be able to be good to go or be good to go. But let me show you a screenshot over here on what it would look like when you purchase it. As you can see, there should be an option over here after you select or after you buy it, select the option to buy, for you to enter how much Bitcoin you want to purchase, and after that, you should be able to then review your order. And after that, you should be able to now receive Bitcoin into your Coinbase account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.